Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I decided to use my voice for this video. Today we're going to be doing common to legendary. So yeah, so I've seen some people actually do this and it actually worked. So yeah, we're going to try. And we're not going to be in a trading server. Yeah. So my whole thing is loading, so once everything loads in, I will be with you in just a second. Okay, I think this has added in, I mean loaded in. Yeah. I think I may have to go in a training server. Yeah. So I'm saying yeah a lot. Sometimes when I don't know what to say, I say yeah, but, yeah, I'm gonna go in a training server, honestly. So yeah, I'll be right back with you. Oh wait, ABC to trust trade. We're gonna do that just to see her scam, and I'm not gonna give her anything good. I'm gonna give her a water, and that will be really funny for me to see. So yeah, you first. Okay, she's probably gonna decline it because she wants something good, but we're just going to play along with it, and she'll probably scam the other girl. So yeah, that'll be funny to watch. I mean, not funny to watch. People should not scam. It's not good. But we're just gonna give her, you know what? We're gonna give her a big head potion. And we're gonna see her reaction. Okay, I'm gonna accept. She's probably like, oh my god, I just scammed this girl. Give it back. Give it back. Okay. Your turn. Actually, I'm not even gonna do that. But she's probably a scammer. She just wants a legendary. Yeah, so I'm gonna get into the real video right now. Yeah, so my next video is gonna be trading ride potions only. So hopefully we get something good, because I know these are worth something, like ride potions, because they are expensive-ish. And yeah. So yeah. If you have not already, go check out my TikTok if you do have it. I post mostly daily, and there's one video that I just uploaded or just posted that I'm buying my sister, whatever she touches, she gets. That was really fun, and I went broke. So yeah. I'm going to trade, I'm going to switch servers and do this whole thing. We might end up with an ultra rare, but that's like so still good. So I'm gonna bring out the Robin for this one because well, Robins are from the Christmas update, so sometimes you can get like a legendary for. You can get a uncommon for it, but that's our biggest thing. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So we got into a server. My dog threw up, and my other dog is laying right by me. So, I was thinking about doing face cam for this video, but not right now because I'm just trying to chill, and my dog is licking me right now, and she's sitting by me. So, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, come to legendary. As you guys can see, we're in a bit of a Spanish server. But that's 100% fine, and my dog's lying right behind me. That's super cute. So yeah. Yes, I told you guys I'm gonna be saying so yeah a lot because, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna take out a Robin right now. So if I can find that at the bottom, there we go. I have a lot of Robins. That's preteen, so we're not gonna give that away just because it's preteen. And some people offer like high levels. But honestly, I'm not seeing too much trade, so I think I'm going to maybe head to another server because I actually want to do this challenge. See, if you check on my TikTok, I have that on there, and I got to a rare beaver. So yeah, I'm gonna be back to you with another server, and yeah, so. Okay, so as you can see, some of my friends are in the game, but okay. So yeah, if this video might be a little bit shorter than all my videos because my dog is shaking right now. And my other dog, like I said before, just threw up, and my mom's not home right now. So yeah, yeah. Sorry if you hear me laughing. My dog is on me. But yeah. Uh,
Oh my gosh, my mom talked to you.
Yeah, that's my sister in the background. Um, so yeah. I'm gonna be back when I load in. I'm gonna be back when I load in. That's like, yeah. And that's my true laugh, guys. That's my sister. Yeah. So, as you guys can tell, people talk in backgrounds. This is one of the main reasons why I don't do my voice anymore. If you're wondering, because I don't do that anymore just because, my family members talk and my sister is trying not to laugh just because my dog is licking her leg. Yeah, because I told her, she's annoying me, so. If you guys want me to show my dog in one of my videos, that would be really nice. I put face cam on. And maybe tomorrow, maybe instead of the ride pushing video, my, my dog just gagged. But you know what? This will just be like, just like me, like not trading common to legendary. I've changed up the video in like a minute, so yeah, we have about like 7 minutes left to record. You might see my sister in some of my videos. You see my sister's friend. Yeah. That's basically really it. At the bottom of the screen, I record with Screencast-Matic or something. I'm not 100% sure. I know it's Screencast-Matic. But I really like this website. Yes, it does create more lag than when you're not recording. But if you're wondering, do I play on this laptop? Usually, no, I do not. I play on my monitor, on a monitor. It's like it just helps. Like it's not as laggy. Plus, I can't download things on there. So if I could, I'd basically be doing my videos on there. Plus, I do type faster, but then no microphone because the speakers are broken. Cough, cough because of me. So, yeah. Oops, sorry, guys. Just trying to cash out. If you do play Adopt Me, the best way to just like get money in this game, because I know a lot of people don't have money in this game, and I used to not have it. Basically, ever since I started getting back into Adopt Me, I haven't been really I've been making neons for my sister, or so me as well. But yeah. So bye.